welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur backgrounds in videos by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video and then fix the canvas. For this, scroll like this and then tap on aspect ratio, and here select which app you want to use to upload your video and then select the ratio. And in here you guys can see the background option. You guys will find out three options here, and if you tap on here then you guys will find out the images that are available in CapCut app. Also you guys can add your own images as your background, and then if you tap on blur you guys will find out a lot of blur options and select which one you want to use, and then it will blur the background. So this is how you guys can blur backgrounds in videos by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.